I'm Tyler Burge. I'm the quality manager here at Anchor Bay Powder Coat. I've been doing that for about 6 months, but I've been kind of involved with quality for about 4 years, if you really think about it. I do certs for military work, and if any general customer wants that, if it's non-military, I just kind of make sure I'm following the quality set by the state and or the customer, just making sure that we're striving for excellence and constantly improving and making sure nothing goes out the door that wouldn't meet those standards. I mean, before, if you had to track down paperwork that was maybe a couple months old, it's a lot easier now, and you could see if someone made a mistake in the process, being able to see directly who that was tied to. So instead of tracking people down and who did this, it makes everything so much more streamlined, so much easier. So I'm not a powder coater, I'm a quality guy. Reading all these labels and stuff, that didn't come easy to me because I didn't powder coat. So if someone's like, what powder did we use? It's the PC912, and I'm like, well, hold on. But Steelhead, that's all entered, it's all logged, and it's like, well, this powder is directly tied to this job, so it makes it far easier on me. Far easier on me. So when I used to cert something, it would take a lot longer than it does now. I'd say Steelhead, as far as like me certing things and tracking things down, saves me probably about 2 to 3 hours a day, if I'm being honest. So it's kind of huge.